Welcome to the Design Prototyping module, part of the PG level certification program on product design and innovation at the Center of Excellence in Design at the Department of Design and Manufacturing, Indian Institute of Science in collaboration with the Government of Karnataka. This module equips you with the skills to transform abstract concepts into functional prototypes, blending both digital and physical methods to make your designs come to life. What is this module about? Our design prototyping module is designed to teach you the entire process of creating prototypes. From conceptualization to physical testing, you learn how to use sketching and digital tools to design your product. Then take these designs through a series of physical and virtual iterations. This hands-on approach ensures that you can test, improve, and refine your designs, preparing them for production. What are the various elements in the module? This module covers several key elements, each designed to strengthen your skills in product design, sketching and digital sculpting, the art of bringing your idea to life, whether through rough sketches or detailed 3D digital models. Physical modeling and testing to create and test tangible models and allows you to evaluate form, fit and function before moving forward. Virtual modeling and simulation, using cutting-edge tools like CAD and CAE to simulate real-world conditions, ensuring your designs meet strength, durability, and sustainability requirements. Application of real-world projects, where you will integrate digital and physical prototypes, apply your design knowledge, and refine your product based on real-world testings. Design prototyping is crucial to product design for many reasons. First, it allows you to test your ideas before committing to full-scale production. Whether you are refining a product's aesthetics or functionality, prototyping lets you identify and solve problems early. It ensures your designs are feasible, effective, and optimized, saving you time and money in the long run. How can it contribute to product design? Prototyping contributes to product design by providing tangible proof of concept. It allows designers to visualize, iterate, and refine their ideas before they reach the market. Prototypes help solve design challenges by testing factors like ergonomics, durability, and manufacturability. By identifying potential issues early, prototypes make it easier to optimize the final product, ensuring it's ready for the mass production and customer use. Why is it considered a skill? Well, design prototyping is considered a skill because it combines creativity with technical know-how. It requires proficiency in both digital design tools and hands-on fabrication techniques. Understanding materials, mastering CAD software, and knowing how to iterate based on testing and all crucial components of the skill. Product designers must be able to create, test, and refine prototypes in real time, something that takes practice and expertise. What is the benefit for aspiring job seekers? For aspiring job seekers, mastering design prototyping gives you a competitive edge in the job market. Employers are looking for designers who can take ideas from concept to reality, testing and refining them along the way. With experience in prototyping, you'll stand out in industries like technology, manufacturing, and product development. Whether you are interested in engineering, design, or innovation, this skill is highly valued and will open doors to exciting career opportunities. Join our design prototyping module today and start building the skills that will help you launch your career in product design. With hands-on experience, industry insights, and a focus on the latest tools and techniques, you will be ready to turn your ideas into reality and succeed in the competitive world of design.